Millions of horticulture farmers remove conventional plastic drip irrigation systems every season, either to prevent tangling with farming machinery or to clear space for crops with short growing cycles. This removal is expensive, requiring valuable time and labor that eats into tight margins.
That's why the world needs EcoDrip.
EcoDrip is a bamboo-based biodegradable drip irrigation system that eliminates plastic waste while cutting costs. Instead of being removed and discarded like traditional drip irrigation, EcoDrip is designed to break down right in the field. At the end of the growing season, standard plowing equipment like power tillers simply run over the pipes, breaking them along strategically placed weak points. So the pipes degrade in the soil without the need for removal. This proven weak point feature provides durability during the growing season without premature breakdown. The pipe is made from proven materials, which are both biodegradable and durable. This forms a strong yet flexible composite. For manufacturing, the pipe undergoes an industry-standard extrusion process before being coated with waxes that increase durability. And the market is massive, with the global drip irrigation market growing at 10% year over year. The earth does not belong to us. We belong to the earth. How often is it that a sustainable solution is also cheaper? If we don't take advantage of products like these, there might not be a world left to save. DripFlow ensures sustainability and profitability thrive together.